And say me baby got AIDS. The same son you run their child mother. That and say me baby got AIDS. The same son you run their child mother. Me baby dead and me baby got AIDS. Me 5-month-old baby. I got the screenshots. I got everything. All these things is going into the fucking commission of police because y'all feel y'all got money. Y'all can frighten fucking black people run there. You can't fucking frighten me. You can't frighten me. You. I telling you though. You can't frighten me. When she post me baby picture, when she post and say me baby got AIDS and all these things, I reply to share and I post me baby AIDS results. I do a set of tests on my child because I know this is what's gonna happen, and if I gonna be tarnished in life, my children them mustn't be tarnished. It hurt me, yes, it hurt me that you talk about me child because nobody never come on the internet and talk about Aiden. Everybody see what I've been through, and everybody know from step to step, from hospital out to hospital, everything shows with me big belly. Everybody see and know I's a strong fucking woman. Nothing like your pussies can fucking intimidate me. Run there now. Wait. Think he said that and send me baby got it. Buddy, don't fucking call my phone. I'm gonna embarrass you. Don't call my phone. I ain't feeling for talk to nobody today. Cause y'all must count this way to the upon life, then y'all ringing. I tell me in the life nobody calling me. Me want nobody tell me stop. Cause when people want kill fucking me, when you put their money for me head and you want kill fucking me fans them gonna know it's a public figure. Cause they're not gonna come and play y'all doing nothing. Y'all not come play y'all doing nothing to me. And they go unsolved. Me fans them got to know. Even though me father didn't want to come live, none of me family members them wanted me to come live. I gotta let me fans know what the fuck going on. I got to let y'all know. Cause we living in a country where you don't get justice. All the big boys, them who want to play big boys and popping bottles in the fucking club, come to the front of the fucking class, cause you're not bad man for fucking me. Guyana police force, come downstairs. Your very own celebrity is calling y'all out today. And know y'all in your office and y'all watching this live. I know y'all in your office and y'all watching this live. Who know me? Know I's a girl. I always been controversial. For the past 10 years I've been on the internet. For the past 10 years I'm not a stranger to social media, period. Everybody know me. 10 years, a decade. Good. Knowing me for this 10 years, I've always been striving, fighting for make a living. Always trying to enlighten people around me or, you know, fans, whoever like me. I always teach them, show them how to, you know, make yourself pretty, encouragement, everything. I am that person. I have a side where when people get me vexed, I come and I cause them, we go 2 for 2. This it. This problem A is beyond Facebook now. This is beyond back and forth, cuss out and use this and use that, use big fear and this and that, this and that. Now it's deeper than a cuss out. It reached to bigger level now. Where man getting feelings for the woman, man, the men them, the catching feelings for the women them, with troubling me, and because I cuss them and the feeling bad about the truth that I cussing them with, they want to jump out for the woman. No. Me give y'all the story from the start to the fucking finish. I don't know if y'all could remember. Right? I don't know if y'all could remember the other day me and a girl had it out. I wasn't on Facebook. I get blocked for a whole month. I can tell y'all what I get blocked for, and if y'all following me, y'all gonna know why I got blocked, and I'm gonna tell y'all everything now. The other day, when I went live, right? On me shop page, me assistant. With this young lady was share. She and a girl got it out. Some girl got it out. Let me know if y'all could remember. This particular individual, her name is Sonia. Y'all can remember Sonia? The day when I tell Sonia and I abuse her scum because they're sharing things and they're posting me. I'm going on and going on and going on and going on. Out to respect. Before I call Sonia, I message her, I go in her inbox. I say, Sonia, why are you talking things like that about me? Me, you don't have no problem. I don't know you from nowhere. You don't know me. Why are you talking these things about me? I'm not even on Facebook. I left it for all half an hour. Me see she respond. Good. Before I come for shit, I go and call Rondell. She's a child father. Right? I go and I call the child father. I say, Rondell, you is real. You is me. And I respect him, my brother. Y'all listen to me now. Listen to me. Good. I say, Rondell, I respect you as my brother. Alright? So I just calling you to tell you. Your baby mother is troubling me on Facebook. I'm not even on the app. If I want to go and approach this girl, I can't even go on my own page. I gotta go on my assistant page. Because she's disrespectful. He tells you whatever he tells you, she still continue for post. And I cautious cunt out because I feel like you can't fucking manage your woman. You can't control your woman. And any man who can't control the woman is a pussy. Fuck off. He's a pussy, Rondell. I say so. Your pokey bigger than Bob Marley funeral. He's a pussy. Because I call you, I say, Rondell, your baby mother making problem, the girl's a problem, girl. Whatever being a sugar you in, whatever being a sugar you in, are you gonna dare put a post in his life? Are you gonna dare put a fucking post? You young man. After me, she had it out. I abuse she abuse me. I post she typing, she this, she that. I done with she. Because at the end of the day, I couldn't go 40 days or 40 nights with she because she is important to me. And whatever she said about me, it ain't really do nothing to me. I just caution tell she me mind and I done with her. Because y'all know when I got a real opponent for deal with, I deal with the real opponent. I don't go around the place and go and deal with this one and the one and the one. If I deal with you and you want to send your concubines or whoever else want to come next, me really studying them because it's you getting me vexed and it's you I coming for. There's how I stay. Anyways, I don't call this man, don't reason with this man, the man. So yeah, I don't know. Alright, good. It done. It done. Me back to fucking Del Shitty. And me, she anyways, she's the fucking bitch I want. I get back on Facebook now. Well, I end up get black. Black happen. When I get black on the black in Linden. I go post my Keisha video for my story. Keisha was dancing. Come downstairs. Big Batty, you just come downstairs. Hey, tough tank. She was dancing up on the stage. And I end up just, I think I see video punch a story and I thief it and I put it on me stories now. Because anybody support me, I know I repost them. And whatever, I repost them. And anyways, I repost them, but I repost she close us to 10. The size nudity, Facebook tag on my page. And this when, couple weeks after, like a week after Sonia come. Sonia come on this internet and say, me baby got AIDS. The same Sonia Rondell child mother. Me baby dead and me baby got AIDS. Me 5-month-old baby. I got the screenshots, I got everything. All these things is, so going into the fucking commissioner of police because y'all feel me baby was 210 somewhere front road lane avenue where every mother stunt over from for come for scope out me place. This all this walk the come the day in the community center ground. I mean know I got cameras all over watching the mother stunt the day in the community center ground. I can see them but me goons them done there on it. So where y'all feel like nobody watching the whole of this is me own. The whole of fucking this is me own. The then community center ground. You sent to go and we burn down the other day. The day then they're watching. One of them got on a mask. The fucking passenger got on a mask. And the driving got on no mask. I don't got the fucking number plate. Are you stinkers? So they're trying to throw me off. No, remember now? They feel me know what going on. But I didn't know who sent the it. I didn't know who sent it on me. I didn't know it's who sent the it. So I then fish around for no. They ain't got nobody coming to park up in no community center ground because they ain't got nobody in East that is not likable apart from Lola doll. Don't got problem with people saying noise watch me surrounding. I play, I just fucking smart. I am smart. I's baby junior daughter me. I try to assassinate and murder me father in the Orleans. And he left and he go when he migrate. He got 9 fucking life. And y'all not gonna fucking come and think that me ain't got nobody. I ready for y'all when y'all ready. And then, when y'all done, y'all want to show the blame on Delshana now. So if anything that happened to me now yesterday, it's 2 nights, 3 nights ago that they watching me. I watch, hello. I just only play I as thief. I is the real thief fucking man. I think like a fucking thief. And you can't fucking work strategy on me. Run there you get in your fucking feelings for your fucking duck and bugger baby mother was suck cock for weed. I said oh. Your child mother suck cock for weed. Just give her fucking joint and she good. And because I speak the truth and shame the fucking devil you want to put it on me. Eh? Any the fucking devil you want to put it on me. Eh? Any good coolie is a dead one. Any good coolie is a dead fucking coolie. I don't give a fuck who don't like me. I don't give a fuck who want to come after this. But I telling you, me afraid of y'all. Me afraid of none of you. None. I have box on fucking we are carry fucking by for kill y'all. I don't got your fucking picture of your name. And you can't come and assassinate me because you can get a fight. And anybody try anything. Make sure. And you make sure. Y'all make sure to kill fucking me because, hey, me why you send nobody for assassinate me why you come your fucking self. This is what I want you do. As a bad coolie fucking man. Come your motherfucking self. You know where to find me, bitch. Hey, me life for them on Facebook. Me, man, don't got it out. Me, no, man. Who know me, no? Me and no man on this app don't got no problem. No problem. Because them from where?